Hey guys, this is another gold and silver unboxing video. So I'm gonna be unboxing about, I have no idea from the size of the box. It could be $200, it could be $300. We don't know. I have so much orders placed that I really can't keep track of it. I think I placed the order for 300. I'm not sure. But this is one of my favorite videos that I love to do. So welcome to another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform. Links are in the description below. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos.
Working for work and grind. Working for work.
I really couldn't wait. Oh man, this thing is always hard. There we go. The box is always the least important part of the video. Throw that away. All right, last time I think I did this was last week. I'm not strong enough. It's about 3 o'clock in the 3 o'clock at night. Well, 3 o'clock in the morning, however you call it. And I'm real tired. Just came from watching the Avengers Infinity War. Almost cut through the paper. Let's see here. I promise you, man, it's like they make the materials they make this from is like incredible. Just popped out. Let's see. I guess it's just silver. I got some bars here. First of all, let's see the paper. Oh, I got my silver storage, my silver bar storage, because I'm running out of space. Let's see what's here. I was wrong. It was just $102.84. I was really wrong. It's not that one. But so far what I see here is I got some Perth Mint Australia 1 ounce bar. Let's see here. I got Sunshine Silver 1 ounce. And I also have a Johnson Matthew 1 ounce right there. I have the Year of the Dog. I haven't got this one in a while. Well, I never had this one ever. So I wanted to actually get it. Let's see here, 1/4 ounce. Let's see if it has a date on it. 2018. All right, and also I have my silver buffalo right here, 1/4 ounce. And okay, so I'm gonna admit it. Yes, it's small, and it's probably not significant enough for me to make a video anyways, but it's to show you how dedicated I am to buying silver and gold. Well, even though this one doesn't have any gold, but show you how dedicated I am to buying silver. So I get a percentage of my income. Every income I ever get, I actually put some aside and I place an order, whether it's 100, whether it's 200, whether it's 300, whether it's 500. I always place an order. And you guys, most of you guys already know the reason. It's protection. Okay, people, they do stupid stuff for their money. They go to bars, they buy bottles, they done all that, they buy Jordans, but nothing that really secures their financial future. I'm not saying this secures my financial future as well, but this is, like I said on the earlier video, this is my defense, okay? If anything shall happen to the economy, a protection against inflation, or a hedge against inflation, if you may say. So this is why I like to buy this, and I'm gonna add this to my growing stack that I have. And actually the goal is to have so much where I pretty much have no place else to store it, and I have to go out and get a different safe or figure out another way to store it. But for now, I'm just gonna keep on doing this. But anyways, that's pretty much all I have for you guys for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.